In this video, you will learn how to reduce fungal nails at home using basic tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deidré if we're meeting for the first time. For this easy technique to reduce your fungal nails at home, all you need is some clippers and a nail drill. For example, the Mercedes 2000 manicure and pedicure set. Both of these tools, I will leave them in the description below for you. Bonus tip, to help soften the nails further, you can soak your feet for approximately 10 minutes in plain lukewarm water. Alright, let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about fungal infection for a moment. If you haven't watched this video, I strongly suggest that you do, because in that video, you will learn about tinea, which is a superficial fungal infection that is classified by the area that's affected. And you also get to hear me try and pronounce really big words like tinea unguicum, which is also known as onychomycosis or fungal nails. Fungal nails is one of the most common type of infection that affects around 10% of the population. Looking at these toenails, you're probably thinking, well, these don't look like fungal to me, but be rest assured that they are. There are 5 types of fungal nails, and we will get to those in a second, but let's talk about some of the giveaways that you can look out for. For example, the color. Some are brown like this one with streaks. Some are yellow. And when you start trimming, the nails are usually very soft and crumbly, like the shortbread biscuit that you love so much with your nice cup of tea. But it makes sense, right? Think about it. Whenever I think about fungus, I think about mold that grows on bread. Same thing, don't you? Go on, let me know in the comments below if you think about moldy bread and toast together. Alright, all jokes aside, sometimes the nails are not always fungal. If the toenail is dark and green, that's a sign of Pseudomonas infection. The other reason why the nails could be dark is because your skin is of color. So the darker your skin tone, the more likely you are to end up with darker toenails down the line. So the dark streak in the toenail, if you are of a darker skin tone, can be a representation of melanin, which will show up on a lab report. In this video, I show you on my own toenails where I'm overproducing melanin, so the corners are getting dark. Therefore, it's really important that you send off your toenail clippings for lab testing, because you don't want to treat something that's not there. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, there are 5 types of fungal nails. So let's get into that now. Type 1, distal lateral subungual onychomycosis. That's a mouthful, right? So let me explain further. Distal is the furthest point from the body, so the nail edge. Lateral means left side or right side. Subungual means underneath the nail, and onychomycosis, we all know what that one is. fungal nails. Well done. Type 2, proximal subungal onychomycosis. Type 3, superficial white onychomycosis. Type 4, endonyx onychomycosis. And type 5 is really all the other possibilities that may represent or look like a fungal nail, such as psoriasis. Let's talk about treatment. The treatment of fungal nails is a long, and I mean a long process. It could take up to 18 months before you see any improvements at all. The reason being, it's not just the nails that need treatment. You also have to treat your shoes and the skin if it's also infected. So with that being said, you can try and treat yourself at home using the many different topical treatments out there, or you can get professional help from a podiatrist who can cut the treatment time dramatically. It all depends on a few things though. For example, how clued up the podiatrist is about treatment options that are available, their accessibility to new technology such as laser, your health, the type of fungus that's growing in the nail, and most importantly, how badly do you want that infection to go, and your willingness to listen to the podiatrist and take action yourself at home, because most of the hard work is going to come from you. Oh yes. If you decide to treat the infection yourself at home, then buffing them down thin like this is fantastic. The goal is to get as close to the nail bed as possible, because that's where the fungus lives and is growing. So this way allows the topical medicine to penetrate the nail bed better. Bonus tip. Regardless of what the packaging says, it is essential that you apply the treatment twice per day, and before you apply it to the nail, you must, and I mean you must, buff the nail first to remove the old application. So you can either use the drill, a nail file, or sandpaper if you have that readily available. Put in the comments below topical treatments if you would like me to go over the various type of agents available. And whilst you're down there, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Fungal nail infection is common, but I want you to know that it is also treatable. It's just going to take some time and a bit of effort from you. I hope you got major value from this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.